The key to a really good data collection plan begins with construction of the families of variation tree. Start with the big Y, the assembly quality, and then look for those families of variation, person to person, material to material, machine to machine, shift to shift in this case. Where we can, we want to drill down one level or two levels or three levels, it doesn't really matter. In the case of material to material, we have suppliers and different countries of the material. And over here in the shift, we have lines, different production lines, and different hours of the day related to shift. And for data collection purposes, we want the lowest item on each of these branches. So as we drill down to material, we want both of those because they're lower. So this is the lowest branch, or the lowest item on this branch, person, supplier, country. This is the lowest one, machine, line, and hour. And of course, these are the X's, noted here with the star. These are the X's, and then this is the Y, or the process output. So again, spend some time constructing this, because data collection it can be expensive, it can be difficult, and we want to make sure that we've got a solid understanding of the data we need, the kind of analysis we intend to conduct, and having thought that through, once we get the data, then we are in a better position to clean the data up, which will likely be the case, and also having thought through the type of analysis will serve us well. Now, if we have a big Y that's time related, if it's a lean type project, then we probably want to use a value stream map as a way to help us structure a data collection plan. And we haven't looked at value stream map yet in the program, so briefly then, we have the process steps that are under consideration or under study, and at each step we want to collect what we believe is relevant information. So it might be the cycle time of the step, maybe the changeover time, the uptime, it might be the defect rate at each step, and so forth. We also want to collect perhaps the queue times between steps, because again, our big Y is lead time, which is the overall time to go through the entire process, and we want to understand what's contributing to that lead time at each of both the process steps and then the queue times as well. So the value stream map is very, very good for time-related type projects or lean type projects. And this too will feed into your data collection plan. These will be your X's, say the stamping cycle time, and then the queue time between stamping and welding. So your cycle times will be the X, your queue times will be an X, and then the big Y, of course, is the overall lead time.